Hey guys, welcome back. So we're gonna make some cinnamon rolls today. We'll start off with making some of the frosting for it. So what we have here is 4 ounces of full-fat cream cheese, about 5 ounces of powdered sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So what we'll do is go ahead and put this into our stand mixer here. We'll put on our paddle attachment and then we'll start beating this and making our frosting. So we just have it being on low right now. We'll keep doing this until it makes frosting pretty much. Alright, so it's just finished whipping all of this for about 5 minutes. Looks very frosting-like, so we'll go ahead and scrape all this out into our plastic bag. And then we'll move on to the next step to make the filling. Alright, so we just put all of our frosting in bags. Oh, one bag actually. Now we're gonna make our filling. Got 4 ounces of butter right here that's been softened. We have our cinnamon right here. Have our light brown sugar. And here we have nutmeg and salt. I'll have all the measurements in the description. Now we're gonna put it in our stand mixer. We're using the same bowl we made the frosting in, and we're just gonna lock it down and we're gonna mix it up. Alright, filling is all done. As you can see here, we're gonna go ahead and get all of this spooned into our plastic Ziploc bag. Now it's time to make the dough for our cinnamon rolls. I have my flour right here. Okay, we have our granulated sugar, our yeast, and then salt and baking soda. We'll put our whisk attachment and we'll just whisk it all together to give it a nice little mix. Alright, now we're going to prepare our liquids for the dough. I have my milk right here. Melted butter. And my unflavored, unsweetened Greek yogurt. Just gonna heat this up over low heat and we will heat it up to about 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, we're at 8. Alright, now we're gonna add all this to our dry mix. Alright, now we're gonna give it a quick stir together, form a shaggy dough, and then we'll put the dough hook attachment to it and we'll start kneading this together. Alright, now that that's nice and adequately mixed together, we're gonna put our dough hook attachment. Start kneading this thing. Alright, so done kneading. It looks very nice, smooth and elastic. Should be able to stretch super thin and almost see-through. Not too much of an issue. Yep. So we're looking for, so we'll go ahead and let this rise for about 90 minutes. Let's go take a look. This should go there and not spring back. So that's ready to go. Okay. So roll this out lightly. Alright, so now what we're going to do is, I'm going to cut a corner off here. Press all the filling out, roll this up. Okay, we're just gonna spread our filling over the whole thing, and then we'll roll this up. Now we're gonna roll this up. Keep the seam side down. What I'll do is get some butcher's twine, about 8 inches worth. Bring it right underneath, on the middle. We'll cut it in half, like so. From here, we're gonna cut it into 6 1-inch slices. So. After this, we'll cover our tray with some aluminum foil and we'll let it rise overnight. Here's what our rolls look like the next day after the second rising. All right, now I have this foil on top of the pan and we're gonna pop it in the oven for about 45 minutes. Take off the foil and then bake for another 15. All right, it's been 45 minutes. I just unwrapped the foil from our cinnamon rolls. And we're gonna put it back in the oven for another 15 now. All right, just pulled the cinnamon rolls out of the oven. They look lightly browned, so they should be ready to go. Since they're still hot, we're gonna go ahead and ice the cinnamon rolls. All right, that's it. These are ready to eat. All right, so I got our cinnamon rolls here ready to go. Just gonna pour a little bit of coffee. It is breakfast time and I am starving. All right, let's go and give it a taste. It's all done inside. It's really good. Frosting is really good, nice cream cheese frosting. All right, enjoy guys.